I'm making seaweed salad for lunch. I use otuki dry seaweed. Soak in the water for 10 minutes. Squeeze out all the water. Today I don't have sesame oil, so I will use olive oil. Sesame powder with salt. Shoyu sauce instead of using soy sauce. Some pepper. Little bit of sea salt. Some sugar. Hot pepper powder. My favorite soy sauce. Some rice vinegar. And I'm gonna mix all well. Hopefully it's good. I usually use sesame oil, but I'm out of it. Let's taste it. I need a little more soy sauce. Second taste. Not bad.